Most people see Buckingham Palace as a grand tourist attraction. But what if I told you that behind those gold-plated gates and royal guards lies a world of hidden treasures, secret signals, and mind-blowing luxuries worth over $5 billion? From a tiny stamp worth millions to secret codes inside the Queen's handbag. This isn't just a palace, it's a private museum, a command center, and a living vault of British history. Stay with us as we uncover 7 unbelievable secrets that make Buckingham Palace more than just a royal residence. 1. The $2 million stamp hidden in plain sight. One of the rarest treasures in the world is not gold or jewels but a tiny blue postage stamp. The 2-penny blue Mauritius stamp, printed in 1847, features Queen Victoria's profile and a printing error that made it legendary. Only 12 exist today. One of them lives inside Buckingham Palace, part of the Queen's Royal Philatelic Collection, which includes stamps from every corner of the British Empire. This one stamp alone is worth £2 million, but the full collection exceeds £100 million. It's locked in a secure room and only shown to select guests and museums. A humble stamp, now a priceless relic. 2. The Fabergé egg that survived a revolution. Most eggs crack under pressure, not this one. The mosaic Fabergé egg, created in 1914 by legendary Russian jeweler Peter Karl Fabergé, was a gift from Tsar Nicholas II to his wife. After the Russian Revolution, it was smuggled out of the country and eventually bought by British royalty for just £250. Now part of Queen Elizabeth's personal collection, this egg is made of platinum, gold, and an intricate floral mosaic inlaid with diamonds, rubies, and emeralds. Inside, a miniature portrait of the Tsar's 5 children. It's a survivor of a fallen empire, now protected by another. 3. A hidden art empire worth £10 billion. Few know that Buckingham Palace holds the world's most valuable private art collection. Inside its gallery and private rooms are more than 1 million pieces, including works by Leonardo da Vinci, Vermeer, Rembrandt, Warhol, and Canaletto. The collection spans centuries, from Renaissance portraits to contemporary masterpieces. Managed by the Royal Collection Trust, only a small fraction is ever displayed publicly. Experts believe this secret gallery could be worth over £10 billion, making it more valuable than most museums. 4. The Imperial State Crown, a wearable fortune. Adorned with nearly 3,000 diamonds, 17 sapphires, 11 emeralds, and 5 rubies, the Imperial State Crown is worn by the monarch during coronations and state ceremonies. The sapphire at the top dates back to 1163, taken from Edward the Confessor's ring. This crown isn't just symbolic, it's estimated to be worth between £3 to £5 billion. Its weight, over £2. Queen Elizabeth once said she had to hold her head still or it could snap her neck. Beauty, but with a royal burden. 5. The Queen's secret handbag language. Queen Elizabeth's signature Lorna handbags weren't just accessories, they were tools for silent communication. She owned over 200, each custom made with long handles and silk linings. But the real twist: if she placed it on the table, it meant she wanted to leave in 5 minutes. Switched arms, she was done talking. Dropped it on the floor, she needed to be rescued. Her purses weren't just fashionable, they were her royal walkie-talkies. 6. The secret jungle in the middle of London, behind the palace, is a 16-hectare private garden, the largest in London. It includes over 1,000 trees, 325 plant species, and rare birds like the sedge warbler and lesser whitethroat. Once home to exotic animals like elephants and zebras, the garden now hosts royal garden parties for 24,000 guests. It's a peaceful paradise with lakes, tennis courts, and mulberry orchards, a secret jungle in the heart of the capital. 7. The Royal Corgis, more than just pets. From 1933 to 2022, the Queen raised over 30 Pembroke Welsh Corgis, starting with Dookie and Susan, her lifelong companion. These dogs had their own corgi room, complete with custom beds, silver dishes, and gourmet meals. They traveled with her, met presidents, and even appeared in the 2012 Olympics opening ceremony with James Bond. For the Queen, her corgis weren't just pets, they were royal family. From $1 million stamps to silent codes inside a handbag, Buckingham Palace is far more than meets the eye. Which of these royal secrets left you speechless? The £10 billion art collection, the egg that outlived an empire, or maybe the Queen's genius handbag signals? Drop your favorite in the comments below, we read every one. And if you want more royal secrets, hidden histories, and jaw-dropping luxury, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for the next deep dive inside the world of the elite. This is just the beginning.